Okay. Can you tell me again, beginning what happened?
I woke up on Saturday morning with pain in my neck, my shoulder, couldn't lift my arm, torn my neck, but then as the day goes on it gets less. But in the morning, the last 2 mornings I woke up, couldn't move or move my arm, so it's looking really stiff.
Okay, reach it. Okay, like this?
Up a little bit, a small bit.
Yeah.
Yeah, in there, yeah.
And this side?
No, that side's fine, it's just in there, yeah.
Can I leave it?
Yeah.
Okay. No problem. Let me see. Any pain?
A small bit, yeah.
Okay. See something? No problem. So that's flexibility, it's fine.
Yeah.
With this one here. This one here, yeah. I can feel that.
It's tight.
Very tight. See on here? Yeah, tight. Tight. This is easy.
Yeah.
I can see that. That's sin.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Just, can you please stand up, please? Stand up. Oh, sit on that side. No.
Sit on this side?
Yeah, that's it. Okay.
Oh my goodness.
Okay. Hands up. Feel that. Relax. Feel that.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Crazy.
Fresh.
Okay.
How are you?
Okay.
Good. Let me sit on the other side. Relax. Just a little bit in my hands. Okay. Stay where you are. Sorry.
Okay.
Okay, let me see now what's going on here. Can you face outside? Just,
Yeah.
To see. How's the pain?
A little bit better, yeah?
A little better, yeah? And see now the flexibility, see? See?
Is the video going?
Yeah, I see. Very good. Yeah. Okay, now keep it little bit. Nice one. That's it. That's it. Okay. Hands in your head. Leave it up. Okay. Just trust me. Stay there. Oh, that's
Oh my god.
Okay. Stand up. Okay, hold it. Just there. Oh, that's the left one. Okay. Now, sit down more. Can you move your left head? No, the head.
Other head.
Yeah. Left on side. You still feel the pain here?
No, just a small bit, like
It's better?
it's much better, yeah.
Much better, yeah?
Much better, yeah.
Okay, that's for today.
Okay,
You know,
that's great.
you're happy?
Thank you so much, I appreciate that.
You're welcome.